Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the Oukitel U18. This is the iPhone X clone. Let's open it up and have a look. Let's put the phone to one side. It's thick and it's heavy. So, SIM tray tool and some manuals, a charging block, outputs a 5V 2A charging block, USB Type-C charging cable, and USB Type-C headphone adapter. So no headphone port on the U18, which baffles me really because it's not a thin phone. So they could fit the headphone port in there. Okay, let's have a look at the Oukitel U18. Out the bag, and it comes with a silicone case. Let's take that off. I'm not a fan of cases. So here we are on the front. We can see some of the specifications. 5.85 inch HD IPS display. I don't get these sizes, 5.85, 5.99. You may as well just call it 6 inches. 4G smartphone, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, a rear camera of 16 megapixel, front camera 13 megapixel, 4000 milliamp battery, dual SIM, quad core, Android 7. So it's not an octa-core, it's not a huge hitter in terms of specs, and it's quite a decent price. I think you're probably going to get it for around £150, depending where you shop. Take the front off, and as you know, I'm not a fan of screen protectors, so I'm going to take the screen protector off. So you can see the notch there at the top. Looks very, very nice. It's got a sort of a rounded edge there from the screen. USB Type-C there at the bottom. You have your speaker as well. Power button on the side and volume rocker. At the top there is nothing to report, just the aerial. And on this side we have the SIM tray. So let's flip over to the back and peel this off. Okay, so this is the back of the U18 and it looks rather smart. Textured back. Cool, very nice. So I've got the black variant. Dual camera, fingerprint sensor, flashlight. A smart phone. And it's a nice size, that is. Nice size in the hand. Let's turn it on. Let's have a look at this software. Oukitel. Okay. So there is the notch in all of its glory. Let me set this up. Okay, this is the Oukitel U18 and I've set it up and you can see, look, and there's the top notch. I like that. A lot of people don't like that top notch, but I like it. Android 7 and I believe Android 8 do not officially support that top notch. So when you're trying to drag down from the top, it won't work. You have to do it in the little gaps there, which may prove a little bit troublesome for some people, or not troublesome, but people might not like that. Maybe Android 8 might release some sort of update where it will be compatible, and you should be able to drag it from down there. But looking at the OS, it looks pretty clean. No bloatware, doesn't seem to be any bloatware there at all, which is great. Pretty much stock Android, which is absolutely fantastic. Android 7, yep. I just told you the specs there as well, look, just to confirm. Running 4 gig. It's only 720p resolution. Got the cameras there and whatnot. Oh, I did notice wireless update here. Let's see if there's any wireless updates. I don't think there would be. No. So that screen is nice and the viewing angles seem to be pretty good as well. That brightness is at full whack. Brightness is up to the highest setting. Let's turn it right down. It's pretty low. I like that, and I like the wallpaper that's come with it. What are the other stock wallpapers? Sort of like a marble effect on some. But I like that one, it's nice. Let's take a look at this camera, shall we? Settings. So I'd like to change all my settings, make sure it's on maximum. 16 megapixel, 16 by 9. Okay, let's take a photo of the Cubot X18 box. Switch to video. There might be a little bit of flickering in this video. I'm not sure because of the artificial lights I've got at the moment. On some cameras you do see a bit of flickering, but let's just check the settings. Video quality 1080p. That's fine. Let's have a go. Autofocus seems to be good, seems to work well. Let's just move around. See how smooth the video is, and obviously the audio quality, which is important as well. It looks a little jittery, but let me know what you guys think to that. Front facing camera. See, look, you can see the flickering. It's on face beauty mode at the moment. Again, what do we get here? We get 4:3. I want 16 by 9, and that's at 13 megapixel. Ready? It looks a little soft. Let's switch to video mode. Yeah, see there's some flicker in there. That is purely from the lighting behind me, unfortunately. Let's have a look. Video quality is 720p, that's fine. Let's do some recording. Let's get right into my face. Doesn't look too bad. Whether it's smooth or not is another thing. Let me know, guys, what you think and what the audio quality is like as well. But it's not looking too bad for a phone which is around about £150. So there's the weight, guys, 215 grams. I did expect it to be over 200 grams when you're feeling it. It's got quite a big battery in there. It does look really nice. It has these soft software buttons at the bottom. You can just make them out there. Doesn't seem as though you can hide them or they're sort of collapsible. So I'll quickly set the fingerprint sensor up on here, or the fingerprint scanner. Do a quick test. That's pretty quick. You just sort of got to tap it. Tap. That's very quick. Very impressed with that. Sweet. So taking a closer look at this this display. This is 720p and IPS display. The screen looks very, very good, guys. It's nice and sharp, great detail and good colours. I am rather impressed with the Oukitel U18 at the moment. Looks very, very nice. I do like that notch at the top. Unfortunately, Android isn't compatible with the notch yet, so some stuff will be blanked out of there at the top in some cases. But it is a nice looking phone and very nice to hold. Nice and comfortable, nice rounded edges. Texture back there. And it's not too big. A nice and quick fingerprint scanner as well. So this is the quick unboxing, guys, and the first look at the Oukitel U18, and it doesn't look too bad at all. Definitely a budget smartphone, and it does look like the iPhone 10. But if there are any questions, guys, please comment below, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching.